Hey there, welcome to a new video. Today we're diving into a common problem that Windows users may encounter when configuring their native firewall. The problem revolves around the predefined values in the Scope tab, specifically the remote IP address options like local subnet, internet, and gateway. Sometimes these settings don't behave as expected, such as the internet option allowing or blocking everything instead of just external traffic. In the solution provided, we discovered that these predefined values correspond to dynamically generated addresses, as explained in the MS FAST document. Each option, like local subnet, DNS, default gateway, and others, represents a specific collection of addresses used for firewall rules. Interestingly, options like internet and intranet may not function as intended, allowing or blocking all traffic regardless of local settings. If you need more detailed information on these predefined values, reaching out to Microsoft support team could be the way to go. In summary, we discussed the common problem with Windows Firewall settings and explored the detailed solution involving the predefined values for remote IP addresses. Understanding how these values are generated in their corresponding network collections can help you fine-tune your firewall rules effectively. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and drop a comment below. See you next time.